Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living live session. The first expiry for the month of March. Markets have slightly opened on the weaker note. Nifty currently trading about 70 points on the spot, 70 points down on the spot, and Bank Nifty about 65 points in the negative side. You can see the chart here. Nifty opens at around 17,518, below yesterday's high of 17,550, and from there on very quickly goes to 17,418. But interesting thing to note here is, even though it fell about 100 points from the open, it has survived yesterday's low. Yesterday's low was at around 17,417. You can see here yesterday's low was 17,417 and today's low is 17,418. It has just about survived yesterday's low, and from there on the pullback is happening. And today being the expiry day, and yesterday being some long built up happening, we can expect maybe this market will move little bit higher only from these levels. Bank Nifty also, you can see here right from Monday onwards, Bank Nifty is in some amount of good uptrend from the lows of 39,745 up to the highs of 40,773, almost 1000 points upward movement in last 4 days. The fourth day is not yet complete. We are seeing the lows of Monday to the highs of today, which is 40,773. So Bank Nifty has made a new high compared to yesterday's high. Yesterday it made a high of 40,725 and today's high is about 50 points higher, but it has not sustained that. You can see the first candle is in big red candle. From there on, from the highs of 40,773 has come down to 40,542. Now is trying to make a pullback. Will it again cross 40,773 and head towards 41,000 is what we need to wait and watch for. So this is with respect to the Bank Nifty. On the settlement chart, if you see, yesterday or Friday's high has been convincingly taken out. 40,622 was the buy level. From there on it went up to 40,773 today. It is still trading above the breakout level of 40,622. This is on the futures chart. Bank Nifty for that matter, if you see, this week has been slightly on the negative side only. It has made a new low in this settlement again. Last settlement low was 17,461, but this settlement is a newer low at 17,345 and currently trading at 17,460. So there is some amount of negative pressure on Nifty chart, but some amount of pullback attempt from the Bank Nifty side. So there is some kind of conflict going on between Nifty stocks as well as the Bank Nifty stocks. Bank Nifty stocks are ready to move higher, but Nifty stocks are not yet fully done the bottom and still hovering towards the bottoms. So probably in the coming week there might be bottoming out process happening in Nifty stocks as well. If you see Bank Nifty's some of the top stocks like HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, they form both as part of Nifty index as well as Bank Nifty index. So these banking stocks have already bottomed out and are trying to make new highs, but that is not the case in terms of other Nifty stocks like maybe Reliance or Hindustan Lever or some of the heavyweights like Maruti, L&T. So probably these stocks are still in the bottoming out process and it might take a while maybe in the coming weeks these stocks might also bottom out and start moving slightly higher. But for now, Nifty slightly weaker and Bank Nifty slightly on the pullback mode. Let us quickly look into some of the pharma stocks today. Apollo Hospital trading at 4,453. It is completely in the sideways. Oh, this is, we are seeing a weekly time frame which is Monday to Friday. Probably we can visit the weekly time frame tomorrow being Friday. Today we will look into the intraday chart itself. On the intraday time frame, yesterday it made a high of 4463. From there it has started coming down and it has come down up to 4399, but it has survived yesterday's low or day before yesterday's low. No, sorry, yesterday's low itself at 4365. And from there on, one more attempt is being made towards the high. So if Apollo Hospital crosses 4463, then some more upward movement is possible. This is Auropharma, nothing much happening here. From the highs of 470 has come down to 463 and trading towards the day's low at 463. Biocon opening candle low happens to be the breakdown level. So 225 is the breakdown level, has broken down and trading below the breakdown level. Cipla is in a massive downtrend. You can see here at the beginning of this week on Monday the high was at around 973. From those highs of 973 today it is showing the lows of 892, which means about 80 points down in last 4 days. Big negative movement in Cipla. I think it is better we see the daily chart, and it has been on the downside since when? Since 1183 in the month of November. You can see the highs of 1183. From there on it has continuously fallen down to the lows of 894. Well, on the weekly chart also it has broken the support of 947 very convincingly, and from there on it has been heading one-sided, and today it is showing the lows of 892s. So Cipla, something major happening, big slide in last 4 days. This is the chart of Divi's Lab, made a high of 2869, currently trading at 2857. Dr. Reddy breaking out from the first candle high 4385, currently trading at 4390. After a good fall in Dr. Reddy in the last 4 days, from the highs of 4498 it had come to the lows of 4316. From there on some amount of pullback is happening, and today's opening candle high, it is breaking above the opening candle high and probably it will sustain. Let us wait and watch. Glenmark, not much movement here, currently trading at 426. Sun Pharma also has been in the downtrend. You can see here from the highs of 980s is currently trading at 957, but the lows is 955. Well, pharma stocks for the last 4 days or from the beginning of this week, from Monday onwards, it has been in somewhat negative territory only. Torrent Pharma bucking the trend, going above the opening candle high of 1496 and made a high of 1505. From there on again it has made a pullback. From the downtrend it is trying to cross over and convert itself into an uptrend chart. Torrent Pharma, watch out for Torrent Pharma also. Being a settlement day for Bank Nifty, maybe we can see few of the banking stocks. This is the chart of Axis Bank, opens lower at 869 compared to yesterday's high of 872. From there on straight away goes to 852 and now trading at 855. Bandhan Bank opens at 238, currently trading at 234. Bank of Baroda opens at 163, goes up to 167, somewhat sideways currently. Canara Bank also continuing the uptrend of yesterday, opens at 287, goes up to 294 and now trading towards the day's high. Current rate is 291. HDFC Bank has given up. You can see here yesterday's high was 1618. In spite of good movement in Bank Nifty yesterday, HDFC Bank was not doing anything much, and today it has made a lower low at 1613, and from there on it has cut the lows of 1603, currently trading at 1603. So kind of sideways. It has not fallen very sharply, not much trending move, but trading below the breakdown level. Kotak Bank 1757 was the yesterday's high, 1756.5 is today's high, low is 1737, yesterday's low is 1732. It is surviving between yesterday's high and yesterday's low, not much movement, somewhat sideways chart. This is a chart of SBI, opens at 534, makes a high of 543, probably kind of bullish only. Since Monday SBI is in the upward chart, so probably this will have a good week. Today and tomorrow you can still expect some amount of up move in most of the banking stocks. Nifty currently trading about 60 points minus, on the spot it is 17,389, and Bank Nifty futures is at around 40,627. So if you are a serious trader and you are having issues with your setups, your issues with your trading psychology, or if you feel you need somebody to monitor your trades, give a different perspective about your trades, you want to journalize and discuss your trades with any mentor, then we at Banao Bharat do exactly the same. We help traders in becoming better traders by developing the right kind of attitude, the right kind of setups, helping the traders in automation so that they can remove the emotional part of trading as much as possible. We also teach the basics of trading, not just the basics of stock market, basics of trading also, so that you can be in the game for longer duration and hence increase the probability of you winning in stock markets in the long run. So as part of that, I am participating as a mentor in one of the very important event that is coming up in the month of April. The event is called as Investible. I will be one of the mentors there. This event is purely for traders and investors who want to discuss with good coaches, who want to discuss with fund managers face to face, and also develop some kind of network. This will be a good event happening in Bangalore on April 28th, 29th and 30th. 3 days program with lot of eminent speakers attending this event, giving their insights about the markets, about the industry, about the economy, and of course there will be fund managers giving their thought process on how they do the fund allocations, what kind of philosophy they follow within their organization, how do they identify the long-term winners, and all of those. Apart from that, there will be mentors who will be very specific to your queries. You can go to them. There will be about 25 plus mentors. You can go to them with any kind of queries about your setups, about your building right habits, about how to view the market in a right way, how to read the charts. If you have any issues with respect to your entries or stop losses or targets, the mentors will be purely available for troubleshooting and guiding you in your day-to-day activities. So this event is very fairly priced. If you want to know more about this event, do call us on the number that is being displayed. We will be happy to guide you, and being part of such events will help you in the long run to become a part of that 5% club. So having said that, if you are liking the content on Banao Bharat's channel, do subscribe to the channel, share the channel with your fellow traders, like the channel, come more often for the live sessions. Even during the live sessions, we give lot of insights about the market outlook, about different aspects of trading. Hope you have a profitable expiry today. Let us once again meet tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.